Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello children, how are you all? Hope you are doing good by the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Welcome back to our social class. In today's class, let's learn about modes of transportation. The four modes of transportation in India are road transport, rail transport, water transport and air transport. First, let's have a look on land transport. Roadways. Roadways are used to travel by car, buses, bicycle, etc. There are four types of roadways. They are national highways, state highways, district roads and village roads. Roadways connect nook and corners of our country. National highways, these are the main roads connecting cities in the country. For example, NH44 is the longest national highway in India, and this NH44 runs from Srinagar to Kanyakumari. The Golden Quadrilateral Highway connects the four major cities: Chennai, Mumbai, Delhi and Kolkata. State highways. These are the roads connecting important cities within the state. For example, SH4 runs from Arcot to Viluppuram. Next comes district roads. District roads are of two types: major district roads and the other district roads. These roads connect markets and offices in the district. Village roads. These roads connect villages or a group of villages with each other, and also to other major roads near it. Next, let's have a look on advantages and disadvantages of road transport. First comes low maintenance cost. Round the clock service, that is, it is available for 24 hours and it is affordable to a common man. Next comes disadvantages. It is highly congested in cities and poor condition of the roads or mainly the disadvantages. Next comes rail transport. Railway is an important form of transport system connecting various states in India. The first railway line is laid between Mumbai and Thane in the year 1853. It is one of the earliest railway stations in Tamil Nadu and it is in Rayapuram. Steam engine were used in the beginning, and from steam engine to high speed train is the growth of Indian railways. All these years Indian railways has contributed much to the overall development of India. The fastest train in India is the Gatiman Express that runs between Delhi and Agra. The first modern rapid transit system in India is the Kolkata's metro rail system. The Chennai Metro Rail was started in the year 2015. Indian Railways is the fourth largest network in India. Darjeeling Himalayan Train in the West Bengal is a World Heritage Site. It is the only steam-operated railway in India. That's it about railways, and let's look upon the advantages and disadvantages. Railways facilitates long distance travel and it is the safest means of transport. It is faster than road transport. And when we speak about disadvantages, it is unsuitable for short distances. And it cannot be operated economically in rural areas. That's it, students. Kindly send your filled in assignments without fail. Thank you. Jazakallahu khair. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.